Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a serious piece of aerial photography equipment. A 4K HDR professional drone featuring a Hasselblad camera. This isn't just any drone. It's designed for those who demand exceptional image quality and robust flight performance. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a dedicated hobbyist looking to elevate your craft. Right off the bat, the star of the show is undoubtedly the camera system. It boasts a Hasselblad camera equipped with a large 1-inch CMOS sensor. This sensor size is crucial for capturing detail and performing well in various lighting conditions. Paired with the Hasselblad technology, it promises truly exceptional image quality. For video creators, it supports 4K HDR recording, which means you're getting stunning, lifelike footage with incredible dynamic range. The drone captures video with a 10-bit log-M color profile, capable of recording over 1 billion colors. This gives you immense flexibility in post-production to grade your footage exactly how you envision it, preserving details in both highlights and shadows. The camera also features an adjustable aperture, which is a game-changer for controlling exposure directly on the lens, allowing it to perform brilliantly from bright sunny days to those magical twilight hours. Beyond the camera, the drone's flight capabilities are equally impressive. It offers an extended flight time of up to 31 minutes. That extra time in the air means more opportunities to compose and capture the perfect shot without constantly worrying about the battery level. For transmission, it uses OcuSync 2.0, providing a reliable video feed up to 8 kilometers away. What's great about OcuSync 2.0 is its real-time auto-switching between frequencies, helping maintain a stable connection even in challenging environments. Safety is also a major focus with omnidirectional obstacle sensing. This system helps the drone detect obstacles in multiple directions, adding a significant layer of security during flight, which is especially important when flying in complex environments or focusing on getting a shot. This drone is really best suited for professional photography and videography applications. Think capturing sweeping landscapes, dynamic event coverage, or detailed real estate imagery. Its advanced features like the high-quality camera and stable flight make it ideal for creating stunning time-lapses, hyperlapses, and high-dynamic range photos that truly stand out. What truly sets this drone apart is the seamless integration of that top-tier Hasselblad camera with its advanced flying capabilities. It's a powerful tool designed to make aerial imaging more accessible and higher quality than ever before. Looking at what comes in a box, you get the aircraft itself, a remote controller, 1 intelligent flight battery, a charger and power cable, 3 pairs of propellers, various RC cables for different phone connectors, Lightning, micro USB, USB Type-C, a gimbal protector, a USB 3.0 Type-C communication cable, a USB adapter, RC cable sliders, and a spare pair of control sticks. It's a comprehensive package to get you started. The drone itself is quite compact when folded, measuring around 8.43 inches long, 3.58 inches wide, and 3.3 inches high, making it relatively portable for a professional-grade tool. Overall, this drone represents a significant step up for anyone serious about aerial photography and videography, combining a world-class camera with robust and intelligent flight features.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.